So I work in a field in mathematics called analytic number theory. Number theory is a field that studies properties of numbers, and especially integers. But actually in mathematics we can construct numbers mainly from integers, and then we can break it down further into prime numbers. So prime numbers is the smallest unit of numbers. So actually we can view the ultimate goal of number theory is to understand the properties of prime numbers. And in analytic number theory, we use analytic methods to study prime numbers, and especially I use a special tool called zeta functions and L functions. SENTAN-Q program has really fresh ideas in let's say educating faculty member, and I'm very happy because I view this as an opportunity to get to learn like teaching skills and also research guidance before I really get to do them as an official faculty member. So this is a very precious opportunity as a junior faculty member. So now we are finishing a preprint. So it's a final form of the paper before we submit it to a research journal. Actually, it's not easy to find real-life applications directly from a mathematical research. And for example, what we are working on are related to discovering, so understanding properties of the Riemann zeta function, and that goes back to the history where the Riemann zeta function was used in order to detect prime numbers, and these properties of prime numbers were used in the development of crypto system, which is currently used in securing your information on your computer or smartphones. So hopefully this can lead to applications much later in the future in science and technology. So the biggest advantage of working as a faculty member in the math department of Kyushu University is because they have a lot of faculty members, so we don't have too much burden from teaching and also research guidance. So actually we still have a lot of time for research, so that is the biggest advantage as a researcher. And second, of course, the environment. So I really like the environment of working in Kyushu University and also the city. So I was really impressed when I first moved to Fukuoka because it's one of the biggest cities in Japan, but not the biggest. So it's not too crowded, but it's crowded enough, and you got everything around. The food is delicious, and it's very close to nature. Yeah, to be honest, is to be a real global researcher. So I mean global in the sense that I can work with people working in various different fields with really broad perspective, and regardless of where they are based in. So no matter where they are geographically.